Hey guys, Jeremy here from Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Approves, and Rig Ready Used. I'm here to answer your questions today on is a used Ram still worth it in today's market? So let's break it down. Are used prices still inflated? Well, the market has definitely cooled compared to the last couple of years, but the prices are very depending on the store. So here in Redwater, we are a small town store, so we do discount our vehicles $1,000 to $2,000 less on average compared to the city dealers, which means better deals on your vehicles. And next up is certified pre-owned worth it, otherwise known as CPO. It means the truck went through a detailed inspection, often comes with extra warranties, and usually gets a fresh look before the sale. If you want peace of mind, reduced risk of hidden issues, and some extra coverages, then yeah, CPO can be worth it, the extra cost, especially in a major repair, so it wouldn't hurt your wallet as much as if you didn't have it covered by CPO. Which brings us to the big question. How much does warranty matter on used trucks? So for used Ram, warranty is huge. These trucks can run forever, but once you pass factory bumper to bumper, repairs get expensive fast, especially on transmission and electronics. A solid extended warranty can save you thousands, and it's not just nice to have, it is often a really smart move. Finally, when does new make more sense than used? Well, here's a quick breakdown. If you want the latest tech, best fuel economy, best warranty, and lowest maintenance, new wins. But if you want the best value for your money, slower depreciation, and the truck still has life left in it, then used makes more sense. So is buying a used Ram still a smart move? Well, in many cases, yes, especially if you pick wisely. Just make sure you understand the current prices and the value of warranties and what you really need from your truck. If you have any more questions, you can give us a call here at 780-942-3629, or you can come visit us here in store in Redwater.